Hello students, this is the third video for this week. We are studying chapter 14 light. By now we have seen about mirrors which reflect light. Now we are going to study lens. So let us see what lenses are. A lens is defined as a portion of a refracting medium bordered by two curved surfaces which have a common axis, and at least one of these two surfaces are curved. A spherical lens is a lens in which each spherical surface forms part of a sphere, and so all meridians of each surface have the same curvature and the refraction is symmetrical about the principal axis. If we talk of the types of the spherical lenses, we will have two types of spherical lenses, a concave lens and a convex lens. We have already studied what concave and convex surfaces are. So a concave lens will have a cave-like surface in the middle, whereas in a convex lens, a bulging surface need to be present. Concave and convex lenses form images opposite to that in concave and convex mirrors. Convex lenses are thicker in the center than at the edges, whereas concave lenses are thicker at the sides than at the center. You can see this is a concave lens, this is thinner in the middle, and as we move to the corners it becomes thicker. Whereas if we talk of the convex lenses, you can see they are thicker in the middle, and as we move up it becomes thinner. So this is about the two types of lenses. Now there can be different types of spherical lenses as we have seen. A convex lens will always converge the image or the light rays falling on it, whereas a convex lens will always diverge the light rays falling on them. So this is about the concave and convex mirror. I am repeating, a convex lens will always converge the light rays, that is you can see here that the light rays that are falling are coming and meeting at a point after passing through the lens, whereas in case of concave lens the light rays are getting diverged in different directions after passing through the lens. Now we will see how images will be constructed or how images are formed by spherical lenses. So a ray that will be parallel to the principal axis, which after refraction will either pass through f2 of a convex lens or away from f2 of a concave lens. A ray from the top of the object which passes through the principal point undeviated. We will study about the formation of images by these lenses in the next video. For now, just go through these ray diagrams, just study the ray diagrams when the object will be beyond 2f, when the object is at 2f1, and when the object is at or between f1 and 2f1. Just study all these ray diagrams so that when we study the ray diagrams, you don't have any problem. Here you can see when the object is placed at f1, when the object is placed at f1 and optical in center, and when also the object is placed at infinity. So please go through the ray diagrams. In the next video, we'll see how these ray diagrams are formed. Thank you so much, students.